What's good YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. We know that the Nike Dunk has been easily the most popular Nike sneaker over the last year. For obvious reasons, they are easy to wear, easy to style, and they come in a ridiculous amount of colorways. And in this video, I'll be reviewing two pairs of Dunks, definitely two of the cleaner colorways we've seen. I'll be reviewing the Nike Dunk Low in the Gray Fog and the Harvest Moon colorways. So what's good, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to all my long-term viewers. If you are new to the channel, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews, all types of other sneaker content. If you like your sneaker content with some chill vibes, definitely hit that red button at the bottom of your screen. So I'm gonna be doing a double review in this video. It didn't make a lot of sense for me to do separate videos on these shoes. It's pretty much the same shoe, different colorways. I'll get into these colorways, whether or not they're worth the price. And of course, as always, I will be giving you guys on-feet looks at both of these, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So the Nike Dunk Low in the Fog Gray colorway and also the Harvest Moon pairs. So we're in 2022 already, which means we're going into season 4 of the Nike Dunk comeback. Those off-white dunks that kind of started this whole dunk revolution came all the way back in 2019. 2020 was the year where we saw some amazing dunks like that ugly duckling pack. Pretty much all of the best quality dunks came around this year. And then last year was the year where the Nike Dunk really exploded. It felt like pretty much every week we had multiple colorways dropping. And it seems like this year, 2022, we'll be getting a bit more of the same, with a few twists thrown in there, like for example, this vintage dunk pack, which we'll be seeing dropping later this year. Gonna start off this video talking about the Gray Fog pair. So this pair actually did release in men's sizes as well, which is good because I feel a lot of the cleanest dunk colorways have been women's releases. So a lot of guys like myself who wear a US 11, we're just not able to cop these shoes. This colorway, not the case, and it is easily one of the cleanest pairs, one of the most wearable pairs we've seen drop this year. I will say one thing I've noticed that Nike has been doing last year is giving us the same shoe with very slight modifications. Last year alone, we've already seen the gray white dunks, then we had this sail light bone colorway, and then earlier last year we also had this photon dust colorway, and not to mention now we got the Gray Fogs. And I don't know about you, but to me these are all pretty much the same shoe, which I guess is a good thing because you really only need one of these pairs. So more pairs, more quantity available. It's highly likely you'll probably get at least one of these, or at the very least the resale prices aren't going to be too bad. This photon dust pair, from a colorway point of view, yeah, it's just really nice. And another reason why you might recognize this colorway is because we saw almost 50 pairs of these drop last summer. The off-white 50 was pretty much variations of this gray two-tone dunk. So this sneaker is perfect if you love that collab for the colorway alone. You didn't really like all those extra laces, those different colors on the tongue. You just wanted a simple pair of gray and white dunks, especially when you look at what those off-white dunks are going for right now on the resale market. Of course, from a quality point of view, it is a night and day difference. The quality on these pairs, just like every other GR dunk that has dropped in 2021, just not very good. I can't even say that this is leather because it feels like a very synthetic material. It kind of feels like a plastic bag, if I'm gonna be honest. This is definitely a shoe that you cop just because it looks good with your outfits. You would need to overlook the quality if you're thinking of copying these. And moving on to this other ultra clean colorway, let's look at the Harvest Moons. This pair was unfortunately a woman's release. You were probably wondering, why does this shoe look so small in my hand? It is a woman's size. This is my girlfriend's size. So yeah, big feet gang, you're not able to get a pair of these, which is unfortunate because unlike those gray dunks, we haven't seen too many brown Nike Dunk Lows released last year. One of the few pairs that released was earlier in the year, the medium curry dunks, which was definitely one of the dunks of the year in my opinion. From strictly a colorway point of view, these are pretty close, and of course a lot cheaper when it comes to resale. Color blocking is perfect. This time you get a sail color rather than white. Just from a colorway point of view, I do prefer these Harvest Moons. Strangely, I would say the leather feels slightly better on this Harvest Moon pair than the Gray Fogs, but not much better. For example, if the Gray Fogs were like a 2 out of 10, these were maybe a 3 out of 10. But honestly, there are different types of people who buy shoes like these. There's sneakerheads, you know, people like myself who like to collect shoes. And for us, quality is definitely a major factor when deciding whether or not to buy a shoe. But then on the other hand, a lot of people just buy sneakers because they want to look good. It looks good with their outfit, gives them confidence. And for them, it's likely that quality can be overlooked if the sneakers do look good, which you can't deny with either of these pairs. It's not like one group is better than the other. I'm just trying to say people buy sneakers for different reasons. Also, these are a woman's release. So for you guys out there, if you're thinking of getting a pair, the size conversion, make sure you guys go a size and a half up in the woman's size. If you wear a men's size 8, for example, you got to get a 9.5 in women's. And as far as how do they fit, Dunks for me just fit true to size. So go with whatever your true Nike size is. I fit the same in Dunks as I do Jordan 1s, also Nike Air Max sneakers, and a half size higher than Air Force 1s. If you want to give either of these shoes more of a vintage type of vibe, you should definitely consider swapping out the laces, throwing on these beige laces, which I think look perfect on either of these colorways. And of course, I do sell these at my own shop, Elevate Laces. The link is in the description. We do ship worldwide, and this is easily our most popular product. Check them out, Elevate Laces. But yeah, overall, the Nike Dunk Low in the Gray Fog and the Harvest Moon colorways, yeah, the quality is not great, but they look good. If you're gonna be wearing these shoes a lot, then yeah, they're definitely good cops. But if you're looking to actually add new sneakers to your collection, I would probably wait it out a little bit. There's definitely gonna be some better dunks coming out later this year. The On Feet about to drop right now. Make sure you guys once again are subscribed to the channel. And of course, make sure you follow your boy on Instagram as well as TikTok. I'm dropping a lot of content on both of these platforms, especially if you're looking for some how to style inspiration. And until next time, guys, peace.